Here's a couple more speakers that need to be wrapped. Started off padding on this one. I'm about to pad this one, and then we'll get started on the vinyl. Here's one way I'll lay out a lot of stuff. I'll put me some marks going around in here. Little notching points to be able to line up and meet up with everything. Get everything up. And going from there. Alright, the way that I sew all these curves together is, of course it takes two hands, but for the most part I think I put my left hand down on the bottom piece and my right hand on top. But like right here where it's two curves coming together, I'm just starting it off. We've already got it back stitched, so I got it locked. And I'm just going to kind of rock the one curved piece to the side as I bring the other piece to the other side with my left hand. And then foot control is key to be able to not go too fast. And it looks like they'll line up with my little notches right here, so I'm going to keep on going with the same tension just about all the way around. In the same way as I'm just rocking one piece around the curve for my top part, and the bottom part I'm always trying to keep as straight as I can going this way. Even with the curves, I still try to get it to go straight in. So that way, but you can always look and tell how your curves are meeting up too. The more that your curve meets up, the more that your notches will eventually line into place like this, and then you just keep on going and need just a little bit. So adjust however much you got to as you go down.